Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Realtek audio drivers for clearer mic quality. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your computer and ensure you are logged in. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, locate the section labeled Audio Inputs and Outputs. Expand this section by clicking the small arrow. Identify your Realtek audio device from the list. Right-click on the Realtek audio device and select Update Driver. A new window will appear with two options. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Your computer will now search for the latest driver updates. If an update is found, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer to apply the changes. After the restart, check your microphone quality by testing it in any audio application. If the audio quality has improved, your update was successful. If you're not satisfied with the results, consider manually downloading the driver from the Realtek website. Visit the Realtek website and navigate to the Support or Download section. Select your specific audio device model for the correct drivers. Download the latest version of the driver to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file and double-click it to run the installer. Follow the installation prompts to complete the process. Restart your computer once more after the installation. Test your microphone again to see if the clarity has improved. If issues persist, consider checking your microphone settings in the control panel. Adjust the input volume and enhance the quality settings as necessary. With these steps, you should now have clearer microphone quality with your Realtek audio drivers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.